Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce Goya Chanpuru, Luffa Soup, and Mozuku Vinegar. Let's start cooking. This is bitter melon, which is called Goya. It is a representative vegetable of Okinawa. Take the white part inside. This bitter melon was $2 each. Cut bitter melon into thin slices. Shred the carrot. Slice the onion. Cut the pork belly. Add oil and fried ingredients. Chanpuru is an Okinawan-style fried dish. Chanpuru is Okinawan for something mixed. It's sometimes used to refer to the culture of Okinawa. Add soup stock, salt, and pepper. Finally, add the beaten eggs. It's done, 完成! Make a Luffa miso soup. Take the soup stock with dried bonito. In Okinawa, we eat young Luffa. Peel and cut the Luffa. Add Luffa and shimeji mushrooms. Put the miso. Finally, put the green onion. It's done, 完成! Make Mozuku seaweed vinegar. You can get this at supermarket for $1. Wash and remove the water. Cut cucumber and lemon. Finally, add Mozuku sauce. It's done, 完成! いただきます. How was today's video? I'm glad to if you enjoy it. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking. And I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。